Hi guys, I'm Miss Davis here. Today we're talking about Module 4, Lesson 19. And in this lesson we're talking about being able to use tape diagrams as representations to solve word problems. So looking at this, we have this word problem. And you know that whenever we do a word problem, we read it 3 times before we do anything. And we actually use these steps called R, D, W. The R is for read the problem, which is by doing cubes. D, which is draw the tape diagram and label. And whenever we label, we mean with the number and the letter. And write, you write the number sentence and statement that matches the story, which most time the statement comes with it. We just have to put the answer to complete that statement. So now I'm going to read the word problem 3 times. We read it this many times to make sure we fully understand it before we start solving it. So the word problem says, Mark had 13 chocolate chip cookies. His mom made him 5 sugar cookies. How many cookies does he have now? I'll read it again. Mark had 13 chocolate chip cookies. His mom made him 5 sugar cookies. How many cookies does he have now? I'm going to read it one more time. As I'm reading it this time, I'm going to do cubes. Mark had 13 chocolate chip cookies. His mom made him 5 sugar cookies. How many cookies does he have now? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask myself those million-dollar questions. First thing is, does the word problem tell us the whole? So looking at this, we know it does not tell us the whole. We know that Mark had 13 chocolate chip cookies and his mom made him 5 sugar cookies. So I know that there's 13 chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to put a C because they all, chocolate, chip, and cookie all start with a C. Then his mom made him 5 sugar cookies. We're going to label that 5 with an S for sugar. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that we're going to draw this. So I'm going to draw 13 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, whenever we're doing this, I'm actually going to start over. Because whenever we're doing this, I want to make sure that I have my circles are in that 5 group row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, space, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I know that this is 13 chocolate chip cookies. And now I know that I'm going to have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sugar cookies. I'm putting 5S. Now I'm going to box this in. I'm also going to put that in the middle. And now I am going to have to count how many there are all together. I have to count on. I know this is 13, so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I know there's 18 cookies. So I'm going to put a C-O. Just because I already had a C for chocolate chip. So I put a C-O to help say the difference. So I know there's 18 cookies all together. 13 chocolate chip and 5 sugar. So we just did D. We just drew our tape diagram and we labeled. Now we got to do the W. We divide a number sentence. 13 plus 5 equals 18. And now my statement says Mark has blank cookies. Well, I know Mark has 18 cookies. Alright, that's it for this video.